Hey y'all, Alisha here, and I know it's a hot girl summer and we all got those trips planned. Now, whether it's a one-day getaway, a solo trip for some me time, a vacation to a tropical island, a girls trip to Vegas, a staycation with the family, doesn't matter. Whatever your travel plans are, you need one item with you. Now I know you're thinking like, of course I need one item. I need my toothbrush or I need my deodorant. But no, you can buy those at your local sundry shop. I mean, take them, of course. But if you forget it, no worries, right? Now, if you forget your favorite scarf, we got a problem. So your satin scarf is the one item that you must take with you on your travels, whether in the summer, spring, winter, fall, whatever your travels are, you gotta take your satin scarf. Now I know you're thinking like, why? Or I could just take my bonnet, I could take my pillowcase. Well, with your satin scarf, I mean, there's tons of things you can do and you only need a satin scarf. So you don't have to take your bonnet, you don't have to take your pillowcase, you don't have to take your headrest, just take your scarf. So I'm going to show you a few tips and techniques for traveling with your satin scarf and why this is the one item that you need. So the first thing I'm going to show you is, it's very easy to travel with, right? You just take it and you fold it like a headband style, and here's your bag, and then you just wrap it around your bag, right? So you tie it on your bag here, and then you have like the cutest accessory ever on your bag, right? Don't play, that is too cute. Or if you don't want to put on your bag, like if you're traveling with a bag that doesn't fit with, you can also take it and put it around your hat. So you do the same headband style, and then you just tie it, around the top of your hat, like so. And then you got a cute little style here. So keep watching, and I'm gonna show you more tips and more techniques and why you need to take your satin scarf with you on all your travels. Stay tuned.